Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, up move settings, viewers and subscribers. I say welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase bring the latest reason and dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you also to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, a clash being organized is not the same as a clash being faked. A clash being organized just means that it is more in a controlled environment, meaning that we don't have to worry about the natural ramifications when normally forward with a clash, meaning that we don't have to wonder if the fans are going to go at it themselves because it is somewhat controlled. Sources close to the artists can always remind certain key fans or key members of the artist entourage say, yo, no, this is just a clash for proof to dancehall that we are clash ready. Now, viewers and subscribers, people are say Heavy D, Nuffy, and Leng them are the mastermind behind the Jahvillani and Chronicler clash. That is just facts. Some people are pointing to the facts, say, yo, we are get the responses from each artist too quickly. But me remember when Vybz Kartel dropped Last Man Standing, viewers and subscribers, and yo, remember, some people say on them way to Waterford after leaving, seeing them already here, Cara Pass, I play that track there, so me don't know. You got me don't know. So, up until this time, artists somewhat are released responses somewhat fairly quickly. Them not to take too long. Remember when Drake and Meat Mills got it and Meat Mills take too long and people are say, yo, Drake win. So I just saw the something go. You know what I mean? Yeah, you have to just respond in a very timely fashion. So these new crop of dancehall artists look, listen and learn. And them notice all of that. So them not take no 5 days for respond. So you can't just say the artist them respond too quickly and that's why I say the clash is not real. Now as I say, the clash is orchestrated and masterminded by key individuals in the music industry. But Jamaican dancehall culture is built upon clash. Nuffy always point out that. Always point out that. Now Jahvillani and Chronicler want to drop some good songs without telling a lie. The clash hot. The youth them love it. The people them love it. The ladies love it. Everybody in tune because as I say a long time now we're not hearing an artist a clash. And the fact that this is somewhat of a controlled clash, we don't have to worry about no ramifications or nothing out of the way. We can just look forward to see songs and tracks show artists versatility and them readiness for clash and next artists. Now Chronicler, however, drop a track and a line from it get picked up by a sleeping giant in a dancehall music, and that a Deva Bratt. Yeah, Deva Bratt is an artist well known for putting out strong counteractions. Him that try for clash with Vybz Kartel hard, even though Vybz Kartel never give him the time of day, you have to definitely earn a Vybz Kartel clash. Him did, however, get some small mentions, and some people did say even them small mentions, I did enough to rub him out, you think about. Deva Bratt is definitely an artist where me respect, I'm a feel to say Chronicler definitely respect Deva Bratt too. Lyrically, meaning say, when he mention on the line, him just that try to paint a very vivid picture. Him that explain to him say, after what go on, you now can't find them like Deva Bratt. Seeing that people that wonder where Deva Bratt did there. Because people that say, I want to get no more new track. Because if it's not far from the facts, you have Vybz Kartel lover. You know what I mean? A discrepancy, and you jump out of the camp and you do your own thing, and you know what I mean? You move overseas. Why you not the music? Because you have, him have a fan base. People did like his music. Gaza fans did like his music. Just that he made a discrepancy with Vybz Kartel, and Vybz Kartel never have him in the camp no more. You know that go. That means that people no appreciate the music no more. Them just say, yo, you have to go prove yourself again. So people that wonder where Deva Bratt there. Deva Bratt forward out. Deva Bratt definitely found out, and while the clash was controlled with Jahvillani and Chronicler, we don't know what going with Deva Bratt. Some people still hint at the fact, say, you are enough to reach out to Deva, and I say, yo, Deva, you need to drop a track. They must say, remember, Sting is right around the corner. Some I know, but for promoters and people in the dancehall industry, they must say, yo, Sting they right around the corner, and them hint long time now, say Sting are forward back with a strong revival. Now a clash between Chronicler and Jahvillani, if it should last so long, would have definitely good for a Sting clash. Now with the addition of Deva Bratt and that's definitely good for a Sting clash. Vybz Kartel will be released hopefully in 2019. I don't feel like Vybz Kartel got clash with no artist. He already make a statement in the royalty track where, you know what I mean, it does affirm the belief say, yo, Vibes Cartel not gonna clash with the artist. You're not gonna see that. Because Vibes Cartel don't need nobody. Right now, I don't know how much you gotta pay to get a Vibes Cartel clash, or even Vibes Cartel mention. You have to go forward strong, have a whole heap of dollars. Other than that, I don't say Vibes Cartel clash with nobody. But Deva Bratt would have willing for clash with anybody. Remember, Deva Bratt somewhat clash a number of times, and for different reasons, it a work out good. We see him with Munga on stage and it never work out. And we see him with Ira on stage and it never work out. And never because Deva never have no lyrics. I just stagecraft and a whole heap of different antics. And it have been, you know it go. That in our crowd settings can cause the clash too, or cause the battle, whichever way you want to say it. You know what I mean? And I definitely saw Deva Bratt lose majority of film clashes. One of them became a physical altercation at one of them and Munga, in which he wasn't invited to the show. Him definitely gone on the stage. He got through all the obstacles to find himself on the stage, and what take place. With Ira, that was a controlled clash, somewhat. But Ira definitely forward prepared, and we see how that go. But when you listen back the clash even between Deva Bratt and Ira, you listen to track them, the recorded tracks, it's clear to say your Ira was no match for Deva Bratt. Chronicler, however, may I tell you, say that strong artist, I rate that youth. That youth are far down on the scene viewers and subscribers, and here me have to say I rate with the artists. The artist forward out. And it's when three and biggest first it when me hear Hillside. I never know him. I hear Hillside. I mean I say that tough. You know what I mean? Very creative. The way I express the emotion. I say that youth, that very creative youth. I see how Biggs do a thing, a very creative Biggs. Then I hear I think that's track where me that big up even the wild side. I think a government badness. It have been me ear. I the title of the track. I'm not sure the title of the track, but I the track I must say government badness like Andrew Onless. You see me? Then me hear our next track. And then me I say wait, because I remember those tracks now in a video, I just audio. But as I tell you, we are hearing music through different sources. And while when we are hearing the music, it don't really have the title of what the artist. You just hear the audio. So then I realize I the same you. Me I say no. But the artists are find a way for top the charts and find a name in the music with songs where somewhat sound like conscious songs. Or a song where sound like somewhat a conscious song where I talk about Hillside. Remember that songs too. Circumstances definitely sound like a track like a G. I weigh out the circumstances and I explain to you, say yo, such and such. And these are songs recorded long before them really fought on the mainstream. People don't know that too. The whole mixtape the artist did have. Some that hear the track them. Anyway, realize that the artist is a hardcore dancehall artist. To find a way to make some hit with some song where not really talk about the hardcore nature of dancehall, but him have them there too. So him definitely prove to me, say you know the artist are clash ready. Till me they even not think about it. You ever you see the artist but say, yo, I don't want to see me that go on in a clash. For some reason that never crossed my mind. I'm here Chronic Line. I want him drop track like Wild Wild West, Wild Wild West. Me I say, yeah man. When me him drop track like Shine Like the G door jam. Him bust the two rifle like him have four and me I say, yo. Yes. That youth definitely have a different type of creative wordplay. And Deva Bratt is that type of artist. But not tell a lie, I don't necessarily want to see Jahvillani and Chronicler clash. Why? Because it kind of look like friendship I go left. It kind of look like, say, yo, two friends, and the thing I go upon with this, you know what I mean, to proceed, and we go to the riches, and we get to the fame, and we get to the accolades, and then all of a sudden the thing just go left. And we are clash and we are at odds. I rather say them start do music. You know what I mean? Yeah. I rather say a Deva Bratt and a Chronicler clash. Yeah. A Deva Bratt and a Chronicler clash. I not go like, yo, Deva Bratt, as I said, them man known for put out this track. Where they answer or not, them man don't put out all 20 this track feed there. All if you answer, none of them man don't care. Them man will just continuously give you creativity and just find this track after this track after this track after this track after this track. Them man not stop. Them man like them now get distracted. Them man they get distracted from making these tracks, viewers and subscribers. So, you know, that definitely I look forward to see a Chronicler and a Deva Bratt clash. As I said, the Jahvillani and Chronicle clash definitely are going well. I just that me I'd rather see these two artists a link than to see them a clash. I don't know why. You know what I mean? I just that when the two of them fall down on the scene, enough people even feel like say your Jahvillani as a 6. So, you know what I mean? That's one of them thing there. But viewers and subscribers, drop the comment in the comment section. I know why your thoughts on the whole reasoning if you feel like that clash orchestrated. And remember, orchestration is different from it being faked. Viewers and subscribers, somewhat. So, drop a comment in the comment section for you like. We hear what's a like on the blog, what's a share on the blog as well. Viewers and subscribers, we'll continue the reason in the comment section. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper. And I'm out.